Dear God in heaven,
send your light so bright.
guide us with your truth.
Move you, amen.
Welcome, kind hearts. Today we're going to read a powerful prayer poem. When the world was new, its foundations were laid. And the poem says, come, visit every pious mind, and pour your joys on humankind. It asks God to set us free from sin and sorrow, and make our hearts like temples, clean, upright, and kind. Illumine now, though dark inside, thou source of uncreated light. That means, God, help us see clearly, and help us understand what is good. Then it says, make us eternal truths receive, and practice all that we believe, so we don't just say good words, we live them. And finally it gives honor to the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. A beautiful message of love, faith, and peace. If this poem made you feel calm and happy, subscribe for more kids' poems and stories. Good is up.
Hello boys and girls, how was your day today? Comment below, like, share and subscribe.